Alam mo, ito palang Disney Cruise. Yung mga nanay, tatay pala nag-enjoy.
Oo nga, hindi yung mga anak na.
Kasi dito, hindi ka maglalaba, hindi ka magluluto, hindi ka magliligpit ng mga higaan, kasi may tagaligpit, lahat. Kung ano yung ito-drawing nila, lalabas siya dyan mamaya. It's gonna be fun. At hindi ka nila bibigyan ng food hanggat hindi ka nag-drawing. Another magic trick. Wow! Ah! Wow! Ay, good morning. Morning, my love. Tulog na tulog si Max, oh. Ito yung view namin sa morning paggising namin. Second day of Disney Cruise. According to our Google Map, andito tayo ngayon sa Riayu Archipelago. Papunta tayo ng Riayu Island. Wala po sa ng destinasyon. Uy, Malaysia.
Nasa Malaysia ka.
Yeah. Ayun ang Pilipinas, na-miss kong bigla ang mga kong bansa. Guys, alam nyo ba, nakakatuwa dito kasi halos lahat ng mga crew dito ay Pinoy. So yung Disney Cruise, pagka tinangkilik mo siya, parang mga nagkaroon ng trabaho ang mga kababayan nating Pilipino nandito, di ba? Isa, mga nagtatrabaho, ng hisipag, mga staff namin. Pasensya na kayo, kami nagbabawas kami ng stress para pagka balik namin dyan sa trabaho, masaya namin ulit kayong makakasama. Meron kaming mapa, ito yung Disney Cruise Navigator. Kami, almusal. 8:30. Iba-iba kasi. May animators, enchanted, kahit saan dyan kung saan mo gusto. Maaga nag-start sa Pixot Market Restaurant. Mag-almusal na ba tayo? 8:30 o 8 o'clock?
8:30.
Kaya pala yung ibang mga nakakasama namin na foreigner sa ride, wala silang ginagawa kundi mag-cruise. By the way, first time namin nag-cruise nila. Diba? Ganito pala ang mag-cruise. Sa mga food lover dyan, iba yung saya nila baga dito kasi ang mga yari talagang agaw ang food.
Pare-pareho na din. Kasi kung ano yung sinerve sa baba, ganun din yung sinerve sa nung lumipat kami sa inyo. Mimili ka lang kung anong starter mo, appetizer, main dish, dessert. Pare-pareho.
Isi-serve din ba yung breakfast? Hindi, buffet yata, di ba? Pero mas masarap magkape dito. Yung ganito yung kape. Ayaw pala ko timplahan ng kape.
Wait lang, namumuni pa ako.
Kape!
Hindi ba pwede magmuni muna ako?
Muni din, muni. Kalmadong-kalmado, hindi mo ramdam na tumatakbo ka. Parang nakahinto lang. Sarap.
Sana ganito yung jet ski natin.
Walang ganun.
Wala.
Tsaka walang saya.
Pag walang alon.
Oo, yung lumulundag. Yun ay nahablan. Lumulundag may ganun yung jet ski. Mamaya, samahan nyo kami guys. Enjoy namin kung ano yung magagawa namin dito. 5 days naman to, napakaraming pwedeng gawin. Pero kagabi, napuwet kami. Nag-explore kami kagabi. Grabe. Pinasok namin yung mga bawal.
Sino yan?
Theater, yung Snow White.
Bakit bawal?
Walang tao eh. Sarado na. Nagnonood kami ng cinema.
Madaling araw pala dapat laro para
Walang tao.
Tao.
Para kami bata. Hi, good morning.
Are you joining us for buffet breakfast or
Yes.
you wanna go for sit-down service?
Sit-down service?
Sit-down service will be Navigators Club all the way at the back and Animators table on deck 9.
This is a buffet.
Yes, this is the buffet and the pizza.
Do you want to do buffet
Not
or?
Navigator, right?
maybe.
All the way at the back.
From Philippines.
Ay, hello po.
Ay, kababayan naman pala.
So actually, itong Enchanted Summer, dalawang restaurant siya. Olac at Maximus, both buffet, same food lang. Tapos meron din po sa Pixar, same food din po, buffet din po yun. And then, kung
Okay.
gusto nyo ng sit-down service, sir, mas okay. Animators Table Deck 9, tsaka Navigators Club dito sa deck na to. Pero lahat sila dun sa back of the ship. Kung gusto nyo pumunta ng Animators Table, ang gagamitin yung elevator yung sa kabilang side para direct na kayo.
Diretso lang po kami.
Diretso lang po,
Tara.
sir. After ng elevator, yun na yung Navigators Club. Pag mahaba pila, ma'am, punta kayo ng deck 9.
Okay.
Okay,
Kasi
thank
mas
you.
tago yun, so mas less ang pasero kaysa dito sa deck na to.
So kaya dapat sa taas na lang?
Kaya nag-open kami ng marami location, ma'am, kasi hindi namin kaya i-accommodate lahat sa...
Yan. Okay.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Kain kami ng breakfast namin. Kamusta naman, Sai? Enjoy ka naman? Ikaw, Mami, enjoy ka?
Yes, kaya tayo.
Wow, gusto ko yan. Lugaw. Dito kami guys sa Navigator. Normal na food namin dito. Ayan no.
Chicken fried rice.
Dito kami kumakain kasi hindi yung kumakain dito. Kaya nyo. Since konti lang yung mga kumakain dito. Medyo, siyempre, siniserve sa amin. Hindi kami naka-apila. Parang gusto ko yun. Salmon, no? Sarap. Guys, you okay? Antok pa.
Gumala kayo kagabi eh.
Get 2 for me. And 1 orange.
1 each?
Let's go. Let's go, Ken. Workout muna. Let's go. Run, Ken. Okay. Cool down. Okay, tapos na kaming mag-workout ni Ken. Ngayon naman, cooling down na lang kami. Medyo may tiwala na kami ngayon sa mga paligid. Safe naman pakawalan ng mga bata. So gagawin namin, mag-enjoy din kami at mag-enjoy din ng mga kids para magawa ni Max yung gusto niya, magawa ni Sai yung gusto niya, ni Ken, ni Hermes at ni Simon. Sobrang relax. Kain, pahinga, gala, kain, pahinga, gala. Sa aking pagkain dito, hindi tinipid. Super dami. I could say sulit naman yung binayad. After kumain, kanya-kanya kami ng gala. Si Ella magsasona, si Max mag-explore. Ewan ko yung iba. Kanya-kanya na kami mamaya. Hindi kami mag-enjoy pag magkakasama kami na iba-iba yung gustong gawin. So pagkasawain ko muna sila, pagsawa na sila, tsaka kami gagala magkakasama. Hindi ka mainip dito. Grabe yung mga pinupuntahan natin. Ang ganda. May ride pa oh. Ayan oh.
Pero yan, tag-iisa lang. Kunwari, kayo lang mag-ride ni mom. Ganun.
Ay galing no.
Isa lang.
Let's ride.
Unang ikot, mabagal. Pangalawang ride kayo.
Yun guys, matapos kaming manood ng theater. Dito naman, Moana naman ang inatupag oh. Ayan oh.
Imagine mo, nasa gitna ka ng dagat para manood lang ng Moana.
Kaya nga. Tapos yung anak mo andun, nagsiswimming. Ayun. Alam mo, ito palang Disney Cruise. Yung mga nanay, tatay pala nag-enjoy.
Oo nga, hindi yung mga anak
Oo,
na.
kasi dito hindi ka maglalaba, hindi ka magluluto, hindi ka magliligpit ng mga
Higaan.
higaan, kasi may tagaligpit, lahat. Unleash the beast.
Enjoy!
Yung mga anak namin, nag-enjoy talaga dito. Kung meron pang Disney Cruise sa ibang lugar, pupunta pa tayo. Enjoy ako eh.
Ipon muna tayo.
Enjoy ako.
Ipon muna ulit. Sisipag ulit.
Sisipagan natin, no? Ito yung taas ng barko. Ayan yung likod. Ayan yung dagat. Buti na lang, medyo malamig ngayon. Dito sa Singapore, mainit ha. Pero parang nasa Malaysia na yata kami. Out of nowhere, no? Yung dagat, kalmado. Ang ganda, my friend. Ang ganda talaga dito. Okay, dito naman kami magdi-dinner ngayon sa Animator's Table. Nakatapos lang namin na mag-enjoy. Ngayon dito naman. What do we have here? Maaga pa tayo.
No words, symbols, numbers, or names.
Sige nga, mag-drawing ka nga dyan. Ganun.
Sama ka dyan.
Thank you.
Later, balik ako. Mag-enjoy mo.
Okay, thank you, Ralph. Thank you. Kakaibang experience naman yung matutunghayan natin ngayon.
You have your Baymax. Thank you.
Baymax. Nasa animation naman tayo.
Table
Kung sino pala yung nag-serve sa atin ng day 1, sila rin yung mag-serve sa atin hanggang matapos yung cruise. So pag lumilipat yung ating table o yung ating venue, lumilipat din sila. So, kaya pala nagpakilala sila lahat sa atin. At yun pala yung binabayaran mong 4K. Yun pala yun. Parang 67 USD. Parang ganun.
Each of us.
At least, diba, na-charge na sa'yo. So, you don't need to add tip. Nasa na lang kung gusto mo pa. Pero, it's already there. Ayan, mababait sila dito, guys. Ayan yung view. Ayan. I hope you're happy. O, ibig sabihin, hindi natin makakasama sila ads talaga. Kasi iba sila ng bezel. Right?
Yeah.
Right? 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 O, yun o. Pati yung drawing mo, mami, man cave naman yan. This is a competition between Simon and Hermes. Pagandahan sila ng drawing.
Is that a cane?
No. Kung ano yung ito-drawing nila, lalabas siya dyan mamaya. This is gonna be fun. At hindi ka nila bibigyan ng food hanggat hindi ka nag-drawing.
Be our guest.
the reason why the kids, iba-iba sila ng roots na pinagkukuhan. There's a sikat na illustration about that. Yung isang teacher and isang lawyer. Oh. Parang nahulog.
Okay lang yun. You can share the siopaw. Bola-bola. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you.
Arigato. Siopaw. Talaga naman.
You can dip more.
Siopaw na sosyal.
Siopaw na social. Simon, your favorite. You will appreciate it. So good, your siopaw. Sarap.
Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Nagustuhan ni Ken yung wonton, ah. I think mas masarap kung nalagay ng wasabi.
Ay, hindi ko nilagyan. Sorry.
Alright.
Thank you.
I brought the Branzino fillets
Oh, wow.
just to try for you.
Alright.
Wow.
Sarap nito.
Na-spoil tayo dito, ah.
Nga. Okay.
Italian sea bass.
Oh,
Italian sea
La
bass.
matcha saffron sauce.
Okay. Sea bass chicken.
The best sea bass.
Kain na tayo, babe.
Pag ganun-ganun pa isa-isa, perfect.
Tapos mama, hindi na naman niya maubos.
Hindi naman mauubos yan, eh.
Maubos ko. Sarap habang mainit, babe. Go eat.
Let's eat, let's enjoy.
Sarap.
You want to try my steak? This is the best when you are working out.
Very simple yung lasa. Hermes, that's yours.
For the rice.
Wow, thank you. Ito. Hermes, ito. Sausaw mo na lang. Better. Yung sauce pa lang niya sa gilid, yun na. Diba? Sarap.
Can I order steak again
Tomorrow?
tomorrow?
Oo, pwede. Kahapon may steak din eh. Kaya nga nagulat ako ba't hindi yung in-order. Thank you. Ang sarap ng taba niya.
Next year ulit, mag-Disney cruise na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-Disneyland.
Meron sila, Hong Kong naman.
Yung Disneyland mo kasi 1 day lang. Yung Disney cruise mo is 5 days.
5 days. Ayan, you can sleep, you can swim.
Yung Disneyland na sinusubukan natin, pagod na pagod ka.
Oo, di ba? Kasi 1 day pass lang yun, di ba?
Because everyone was already taking a seat when they got here.
Yeah.
And we couldn't find a place to sit down.
Check ko nga.
Exactly.
Check it.
Tada!
Dead, dito no? Sa kabila.
Sino kaya ang drawing yung makukuha?
Drawing ko yan.
Hey, it's you? Are you sure drawing? Wow. Where's your mom's drawing?
No, not that one.
This is you, your drawing.
May I love you yung akin.
Yeah, I love you.
Yours!
Oh, it's Simon's drawing. There's 2 of them. And Simon's drawing also. There's Hermes drawing. Wow.
Kind of looks like it's
Imagine your drawing is moving.
Oh, it's actually Mickey.
Yeah, just like Mickey. Where's your drawing, Max?
Tapos na.
Ah, tapos na.
I got Shopee. You got Shopee. It's a delivery man.
This is yours?
Yeah, the brown one. Oh, that's my no, may I love you. Oh.
Oh, that's yours, mommy.
And also
This
other
is
side.
you.
Man!
Mom, you're drawing.
This is Simon. To Simon. Wow.
Hermes, it's so beautiful.
Ang ganda ng drawing ni Hermes, oh. Artist na artist yung dating ni Hermes. That's yours, ma'am?
Yeah, I love you. Wow. We're gonna keep it.
I don't want to keep it.
Galing, naging artist kayong bigla dito. Oh, it's Max.
There. Hermes. Yun ang Hermes.
Hey, your name is there. This is my moose.
Wow.
Nagtitipid kami. Share lang.
Hindi kasi baka hindi maubos.
Sayang, no? Kahit sabihin mong libre. Sayang yung food pagka di mo na kaya.
Tingnan mo kahapon, ang dami nating food.
Chocolate mousse. Ito yung sundae nila. Uy, sarap. Share
How is
na
it,
lang, ha? Alright, pagkatapos na mayroong fireworks, punta kami doon. Magic.
Gonna try and figure out what you did
Okay.
after the magic.
Okay.
in the last day, I can teach you, right?
Wow!
I have 3 paper.
Mm.
So just note anything in makeup, anything in makeup, okay?
Empty.
Right now, empty, right? So 1, 2, 3. So what you're gonna do is 1, 2, 3. So how many paper you say?
3.
So I'll pick it 1. So pick it 1 and put them here.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay. I'll make it 2.
Whoa, bro.
I'll make it 2. Okay, I'll make
I
it 2.
saw what he did.
Again,
1
huh?
and 2, right?
Okay?
So I have 1. Here,
Okay.
2 and 1. So writing 2, 1. Okay. And 3, 2, 1 say Mitya. That's the magic word, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, say
Mickey.
Mickey. I'll make it 3.
Wow. Do you
How
see
is
what
it?
he did?
Might be under his fingers.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right now, I'll just present to you your Disney.
Yay!
Wow.
Congrats, Max.
Salamat! Animator!
Wow.
For you.
Pa-frame natin yan.
Wow!
Yay! Ganda ng
I'm gonna
gawa
keep
ni
it.
Max. ah.
I'm gonna keep it.
Pa-frame natin yan.
Oh, dalawa. Ang galing.
Kay Max din yan.
Who's me?
It's Simon.
It's Simon.
That's you.
Don't deny it.
Don't deny it.
Don't deny it. It's
This
you.
Simon.
He make 2.
Make 2.
Oh.
This is nice.
Wow.
This is cute.
Yeah, that's Hermes.
You're welcome.
And that is...
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Another magic trick. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Open your hand again. Open your hand. Open your hand. Alright.
Whoa.
How is it?
Amazing.
That's my teacher.
Okay, another magic trick. Oh, yay!
Alright. Watch me.
Kala mo
Yay! Uy,
Matayo.
how come?
What do you?
Stand.
I thought I was just gonna let's go to.
No.
Like that. And then? He didn't move.
How?
Oh, he didn't bump it.
How?
Come on, let's go. Oh, one more.
Alright.
Hmm. Whoa! You know how to do it.
He touched the cork on the side of the cup.
Whoa! Yay!